Hey guys, here I am with another unboxing. This is my first unboxing from CSG Succulents. I found their website looking online and I tried to find any YouTube videos on it, but I haven't seen anyone do any on them, so I'm really excited to open their box. This is my first purchase. I did purchase like two or three plants, and they did include some extra ones for me to review, so I'm really excited about that. They do have an Instagram too that I follow on there, so I'll put all the links down in the info box. And let's see what's in here. And this is their card right there, CSG Succulents. For Valentine's, or the week before for Valentine's, they did have a free shipping, so that's why I was like all for it, because of the free shipping, you know. Let's see what this is. And he wrote names on it, or he or she wrote names on it. Echeverria Violet Queen. So let me see. Okay, and these come in their own little pots, which I do like that. Oh my gosh. Look at the colors on that. A lot of pastel colors on that. So pretty. Just gotta clean them up. That's super pretty. Go ahead, Kayla. My daughter wants to help. Ooh. What does that one say?
It says gift. It's a very long.
It's very light
green.
Green. Okay. Try to open it gently. Okay. Go ahead, Kayla. Unroll it slowly. Oh, it's so pretty. Echeverria light green. So pretty. Let's see what this one's saying. Oh,
donkey
this is
tail.
Yes, donkey tail burrito Sweetum hybrid. I've been wanting one of these. So cute.
I like that one.
So these, the bigger they get, they'll actually cascade down really pretty. So pretty.
Oh, this one's big.
What does that one say?
It says Echeverria. I don't know what
Azulita.
Ooh.
It means blue, like blue. Go ahead. Oh, no, try to keep it this way. Then you're going to tip over the dirt. Go ahead. Oh, the donkey's tail. Let me put it over here. That is pretty. So pretty. And it's got a few in there. So cute.
There's a lot in here. Ooh, this one's big.
It's Alpenglow. Beta Higgins Graftocetum. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it 100% right. See. These are really well packaged and they look in very nice condition. So pretty. Look at those colors. You like that one? It's nice and purpley, huh?
It's like red.
Yeah, it does. Like a reddish purple color. It's okay. Propagation. Very nice. What else is in there?
Oh. Can I open this one?
Yeah. What does this say? Oh, this is a Haworthia Cooperii, I think. Either Cooperii or Cooper. I think maybe Cooperii.
It looks like Cooperii.
Or Cooperii. Oh, I think that's a T. Yeah? Okay, go ahead. Try to open it, you know, standing up.
one looks a bit longer. Like bigger.
Yeah. Oh, is it upside
Wait,
down? It is
yes.
upside down. Go ahead and fix it. There you go.
Whoa. You see that?
Oh, let's
What's
be
in
gentle.
here?
Let's be gentle. Let's see what's in here.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. Wow. That is
Oh.
pretty. That is big.
I can poke you.
And it's got a bunch of little babies.
What is this?
It's a flower. It flowers. Most of all the it's succulents flower. That's how they have their seeds. Isn't that beautiful, Kayla? Hold on.
Oh, wait, do you see the designs on the leaves? They look fake.
Yeah, it does. It looks really pretty. I love it. Thank you so much, guys.
I think this is the last one.
Is it the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. It's Crassula Moonglow.
Ooh. It's not that good.
Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I know. I think I know what this is.
Really?
Yes. I don't have any of these plants that I received today, so this is very awesome for my collection. I know what this is.
You do?
Yes. Look at that. It grows up.
Wow.
So beautiful.
It's like a beanstalk.
Like a beanstalk? Yeah. So guys, that's my unboxing. I want to thank you so much to CSG Succulents. Your plants look awesome. Your packaging is super nice. I like that you wrote all the names on the tissues. So I'm really thankful for that. And I am so excited to add these to my collections. And after I pot them up and clean them up a little bit and take a picture, I will be posting pictures on Instagram and maybe at the end of the video. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. And all the info that you will need to go to their website will be in the info box. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.